Hi, my name's Elizabeth, and I'm the teen librarian at the Rising Sun Branch Library. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial how to make a bouncy ball with common household products that you already have. All right, so what you're going to need is you're going to need a microwave-safe bowl and a spoon. You'll need cornstarch, and you'll need some water as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 tablespoons of your cornstarch, and you're going to put that in your bowl. And then you're going to measure out 1/8 cup of water, and you're going to also put that in your bowl. And you're going to mix that up until you have a paste-like consistency. Okay? And then once you've gotten that paste-like consistency, you're going to add your food dye. And this is completely optional if you don't have this as well. So you're going to put 1 drop of your coloring in, and you're going to mix that up as well. Okay, so once you've mixed that up all together, you're going to throw this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now this is the next step is really important. Once you take it out of the microwave, you're going to have to wait for 2 minutes for the mixture to cool down. Okay, so now once you've waited the appropriate time, you can then pull the mixture out of your bowl. And you're going to kind of get like a gooey looking substance. So what you're going to do is then you're going to mush that into a ball. Okay. All right, so you can see that I already have a ball forming. Okay, so now this step is really important. So it still has to dry, so it's not going to be able to bounce quite yet. So you're going to have to wait 10 hours for this to dry. And then once that 10 hours has passed, you can then go ahead and test out your bouncy ball and share your results on our social media. And also check out our at-home reading challenge as well. See you next time, guys.